Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn your speech to text through the online version of Microsoft Word. Now I'm going to be doing this on a Windows 10 computer, however the process should be similar on other devices. Now obviously you need a Microsoft account to be able to access Microsoft Word online, and you also need to have a device with either a built-in microphone or a microphone connected so that the device is able to pick up whatever you say. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open our browser up, and you want to navigate to Microsoft Word in whatever way you usually do. So I'm just going to come to office.com and then I'm going to come to Word. Now I will just start a new blank document. Now on Google Chrome, the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that Word has the permissions to our microphone. So to do that, if we just come up and click this button up here near the URL, and then we turn on the microphone permission if you haven't done so already. So there we go, I've just turned it on. And now I've turned it on as it was previously off. We just need to reload the page to update the permissions. So now we've made sure that Word has access to our microphone. To do the speech to text, all we need to do is come to Dictate, and then click on Dictate. This is a test, nothing but a test. And then once we want to stop the dictation, all we need to do is click the button over here. And there we go, the dictation has now been paused. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.